For this question, we need to know what our interest formula is, and if you recall from class, it's A equals P 1 plus R over N to the NT power. So let me explain what some of these variables mean. So A is my amount, P is my initial amount, R is going to be my rate, N is the number compounded in 1 year, and then T is my time. So for this question, we want to fill in all the values that we do know. So what we do know is that my rate is actually 2%, and rate we always want to put in as a decimal, so that's going to be 0.02. And another value they tell me is N is 1 because it's compounded annually, so that means it will be compounded just once a year. So when I go ahead and put those values into my equation, I'm left with A equals P, which I'm not really sure still, 1 plus 0.02 over 1 to the T power. So that's A equals P 1.02 to the T power. And I'm going to compare that with what expression they had. And the expression that they had in the problem was A is actually equal to 100x to the T. So if we compare the two equations, we see that x simply represents that value of 1.02. So my answer is going to be x equals 1.02. And that will be the final answer.